Just if I can see them from a distance and let them know what I'm doing, that's my preferred thing. If it starts raining, they'll probably end up back in the building if you're not here somewhere right now. This just to go show you, right? When we're all gone and our civilization is just whatever, Mother Nature's always gonna come back and take it. You know, like this is a prime example. Like Mother Nature's always gonna come back and take over. Wow. This is just, I wonder if I can get like one of